Hello guys, what's up guys? So in this video you're going to discover how to earn free Dogecoin without any investment. So this is going to be a very powerful video that you ever seen, because you're going to be able to make money or to earn a free Dogecoin within 1 minute, right? So it may sound too good to be true, but stay with me until the end of this video, as you're going to discover and I'm going to reveal to you what is the website that you need to go in order to earn free Dogecoin without an investment within 1 minute. So this is literally a powerful video that you don't want to miss. So before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, because I consistently uploading a new video every single day, so you can learn more about how to mining Bitcoin for free, how to mining cryptocurrency for free, and then a lot more tutorial and method on how to earn free Dogecoin or how to earn any cryptocurrency for literally free without any investment. Okay, so let's dive right into our content. So the website that you need to go is called faucetpay.com. So head off to Faucet Pay. You're going to land over to this particular site over here. All right, so as you can see, my Dogecoin at the time of filming this video is still 0. So we're going to do together and we're going to see whether I'm able to earn Dogecoin for free within 1 minute. All right, so just want to brief you out. If you want to start after you get signed up, because in this particular method it's only work with faucetpay.io, right? So you need to have an account. By the way, it is totally free to sign up. You don't have to pull out your credit card, or there's no investment needed. It's totally free. All right, so what you need to do next is you need to open this website, which is digitus.ru. all right, so this is where we're going to be able to earn free Dogecoin every 1 minute. So as you can see here, enter your Dogecoin address in bracket faucetpay.io. all right, so it is only work with faucetpay.io. so what you can do next is just go ahead and click the deposit. It's very simple, guys. So you can make actually as much Dogecoin as possible. You can earn as much Dogecoin as possible. So this is all the addresses that are available. So this is Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and etc. So we're going to make we're going to earn free Dogecoin. So what you need to do is simply click over here, and then it's going to copy and head off to digitus.ru, and then go ahead and paste it here. So I'm going to paste it here, and then what you need to do next is you're gonna need to scroll down below. And one thing that I want you to pay attention to, it is forbidden to use TOR or VPN or any proxy connections, right? So you cannot do use a VPN or proxy sites in order to make this happen, right? So what you need to do next is you're gonna need to complete simple tasks, which is this one. You're gonna need to drag all this picture to the particular section over here, right? For example, this one is flower, so I'm gonna need to drag it on the flower column. Okay, so another flower, and this one, I'm not sure what is this. I think this is some sort of pizza, if I'm not mistaken, because it's not clear enough, but it's okay, let's try it. Right, so this is a flower again. So this is flower, and this is dog, and this is, I think, is flower. All right, cool. And then what you need to do next is simply click the claim button, and then we're going to wait the loading for a couple of seconds. So as you can see here, 0.0012 Doge was sent to you on faucetpay.io. So I'm going to go ahead on my Faucet Pay account. So I'm going to go to take a look at the overview. So we're going to see here whether or not I am able to make some free Dogecoin. See, I already made some Dogecoin here. So as you can see, previously my Dogecoin was 0, and now I earn 0.0012 Dogecoin. So that is how you're going to be able to make free Dogecoin literally for free without any investment needed, without you actually need to pull out your credit card or whatsoever. So this is the best way on how to earn a free cryptocurrency, guys. So I highly recommend you to do. I'm going to link the link down below in the description, so you might want to check it out. So before I end this video, here is the thing that you need to remind yourself or remember, because we are not complete simple tasks here in order to earn $1, but instead we are going to earn Dogecoin. So what is the point that I want to bring up here is these coins, maybe you might say like, all right, 0.0012 Dogecoin is very least amount of Dogecoin, right? So but it's okay because the price of all these coins are fluctuate, right? So you may see that the current price for Dogecoin now is like 0.4, 0.3 something, right? We have no idea what is going to happen down the road. For example, if like a couple of months later this Dogecoin price going to increase to the roof, you're going to make a lot of money, guys, right? Even though you have like 0.0012 now, but like just take a look at the price, the current price for Bitcoin right now. So the current price for Bitcoin right now is like $30,000 to $40,000. All right, so per Bitcoin. So can you imagine if like years ago you was investing in Bitcoin, you're probably millionaire already nowadays, right? So that is the idea of mining or getting free all these coins right now, right? So I have a tutorial for get the free Litecoin as well, so you might want to check other video in my channel. So I have a lot of them. So, and in the future I also going to make a lot of video tutorial how to earn all this free Dogecoin, Litecoin, and any cryptocurrency. Okay, so be sure to subscribe and don't forget to like this video if you like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a shot because it is very simple, and as you can tell, the prices fluctuate. So maybe like a couple of weeks or couple of months later is going to increase, and then you're probably going to make a lot of money, right? So thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time, and yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye.